Welcome to today's Excel tip. Today we're going to deal with how to concatenate text. So I might have a first name here, a second name here, or last name. And then in the full name column, which is column D, I would want the first name and last name to appear together. So the first trick is to use a formula. So let's say equal to maybe the first name using the ampersand symbol, then quotation marks with a space inside, another ampersand symbol, then the surname, last name, which is C2. And that gives us the first name and second name. And we can actually propagate that down to the bottom. So now we have the first name and second name as the first method. The second method to achieve the same thing is using the concatenate function. So equal to concatenate. Then the concatenate accepts texts or strings. So the first one is maybe the first word. Now after that we want a space. So quotation marks with a space in between. And then we might want C2. And there we go. Concatenate B2 with a space and then C2. And what that does is it creates the first name and the last name with a space in between. So this is how we concatenate. Try it out and let me know how it goes.